Hi, this is Allie Pierce and this is Wally. We're working on off-leash training with a wheelchair. Working on having him heel with the wheelchair and while it's moving, and having me be able to roll away from him while he's in a stay, and having me be able to get him into a down without falling out of the wheelchair. And also fetching and bringing him back. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Ready? Fetch. Good boy. Good fetch. Come on, heel. 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 Come on. Good heel. Come here. Good boy. Good. While I sit. Good. While I stay. Good. Stay. So I can walk, roll away from him, I can roll back. Good, stay. Good boy. Lie down. Lie, stay. Up, down. Stay. Stay. Lie, stay. Stay. I'm going to do a distance roll. Good stay. Good stay. Good stay. Good stay. Good stay. Good boy. Well, come. Good. Wally, sit. Good boy, Wally. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Let's see if we can do this heel at the finish when he's in front of me. Ready? Heel. Fetch. Good boy. Heel. Good heel. Good boy. Good heel. Drop it. Drop it. Good. Good boy, Wally. Heel, 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 come on, heel, this way, heel. Good, heel, good heel, heel. So all I'm doing to keep him right here is keeping that ball or keeping something of interest, even though I'm not giving it to him, heel. I'm giving him a focus point. So instead of going wherever he wants, he's going to be right in line where this object or treat is. Good heel. Sit. Good boy. So you can either give him the ball after as the reward, pet him, give him a treat, give him that, or give him just a pet and tell him he's doing a good job. Molly, come. Good. Drop it. Here. Boy. Good boy, drop. Thank you. We're going to try a down stay. Oh, we already did that. Sit, stay. 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 Up. Wally. Sit. Sit. Good. Down. Stay. Stay. I'm going to try to be able to wheel around him in a circle. Stay. Stay, Wally. Stay. 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 Up. Sometimes they get nervous about their tail, so it's a good one to practice. Sit. Stay. Good, stay. Stay. Good stay. Good boy. Good stay. 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 Good. Ball heel. Good heel. Good heel. Come here. Heel. Ball. Good. That's it. Good. Come on, heel. Good heel. 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 Good heel. Good boy. Good heel. Good heel. Good. Molly. Heel. Good heel, Molly. Heel. Good boy. Heel. Good, Molly. Heel. Up. Come. Good. Good boy. Heel. Heel. Good boy, right here. Good boy, good heel. Heel. Up. Heel. Good heel. Good boy. Good heel. Good job. There's a good boy.